Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get glide armor. This incredible set significantly boosts your ability to maneuver while falling through the skies. Each of the three pieces is located on a unique sky island, requiring you to complete a special diving challenge. Successfully finishing these trials will reward you with the armor. Plus, if you upgrade the entire set to its second level, you'll gain an amazing bonus: complete immunity to fall damage from any height. To acquire the glide shirt, your first step is to head to the Lindor's Brow Skyview Tower. Once launched high into the air, aim your glide southwest towards Courage Island. Upon arrival, locate the steward construct and initiate the dive ceremony. You'll need to skillfully navigate through a series of rings, reaching the bottom in under 35 seconds. Succeed, and the glide shirt is yours. Next, let's secure the glide tights. Make your way to the Thiflo Ruins Skyview Tower, found north of the Great Hyrule Forest. After launching, glide directly south to reach Bravery Island. Once there, find the steward construct, who will present you with another dive ceremony. This challenge also requires you to dive through all the rings and land within 35 seconds. Each attempt costs 1 Zanai charge, so be prepared. Finally, to find the glide mask, ascend to the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower. Remember to bring cold resistance. Launch yourself and glide northeast towards Valor Island. This island also hosts a dive ceremony. Successfully complete this last challenge by diving through all rings within 35 seconds to claim the mask. With all three pieces, the glide armor set significantly boosts your aerial control, and upgrading it to level 2 makes you immune to all fall damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.